Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to import your Trello boards into Clickup. If you're switching from Trello, this makes the transition smooth and keeps all your tasks, lists, and projects in one place. Let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Once it loads, sign into your Clickup account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard. From here, navigate to the space or folder where you want to import your Trello boards. Next, click your profile avatar or the workspace menu and look for the import/export option. Click on it and you'll see a list of supported tools. Select Trello from the list. ClickUp will guide you through connecting your Trello account, which usually requires authorizing ClickUp to access your Trello boards. Once connected, you'll see a list of your Trello boards. Select the boards you want to import and choose the destination in ClickUp, such as a specific space, folder, or list. You can also customize how lists, tasks, and labels are mapped during the import process. This helps maintain the structure and organization from Trello. After confirming your selections, click Import. ClickUp will start importing your Trello data, including tasks, due dates, assignees, labels, and attachments. The time it takes depends on the size of your boards, but you'll usually see progress updates on the screen. Once the import is complete, review your tasks in ClickUp to ensure everything looks correct. You may want to adjust statuses, custom fields, or priorities to match your current workflow. This step ensures your new workspace functions smoothly after the import. Finally, take advantage of ClickUp features that Trello doesn't have, like table view, automations, and custom task types to enhance your workflow and productivity. And that's it. Importing Trello boards into ClickUp is simple and helps you start managing your projects in one centralized workspace. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tips. Hope this helped, and thanks for watching.